नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us in Bengaluru Adinam and all over the world through two-way video conferencing in hundreds of centers. This is the largest ever two-way video conferencing program we have conducted. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world through two-way video conferencing, literally in every time zone, all major countries. It is time for humanity to enter into the next level of consciousness. Listen. Mahasadashivoham is not just a program, it is pushing humanity to the next level of consciousness. It is not program, it is pushing humanity to the next level of consciousness. Pushing humanity to the consciousness of Sadashiva, Mahasadashiva, the ultimate. I do not want to give you long theories, I just wanted to give you very brief introduction and then enter into the process. It is time humanity enters into the next level of consciousness. Thanks to the body, mind, consciousness evolution. You all went through patiently. Listen carefully. You all started as amoeba cell. From amoeba to fish, physical growth. From fish to monkey, physical and psychological growth. Monkey to man, physical, psychological and conscious growth. Now it is time to move from man to Sadashiva, divine superman, divine superhuman, from man to Sadashiva. Understand, thanks to all your passions, you all have grown, waited. The purpose for putting up, waiting, going through whatever you went through is to have conscious breakthrough. Understand? Everything you do in your business, the purpose is to see end of the year the profit. Everything you do for your relationship, the purpose is end of the day to see the fulfillment. Everything you put up, tolerated, waited. From amoeba to human being, you had gone through enough. Don't think only after the birth you have gone through much. You need to remember every birth you are married. So don't think only in this birth you have gone through too much. No. You have gone through enough. You tolerated just for having this moment, breakthrough, the conscious breakthrough. This is the result. This is the reason you were waiting. Understand what Vedanta calls Pratyagatma Chaitanya Jagratam, the individual conscious awakening. The awakened individual consciousness, the Chaitanya which had Jagrata, is now supposed to have the next breakthrough, entering into superconsciousness. Understand, this Mahasadashivoham is pushing the whole humanity into next level of consciousness, creating human beings who will radiate next level of consciousness. First, the state of Sadashiva, unclutched state, the Nirvikalpa Samadhi, complete completion. What do you call as the space of fulfillment, Purnatva? Please understand, it is not Shunya, it is Purna. Do not believe these universalist theories, Shunya and Purna is one and the same. No. No. When you understand the goal is Purna, the way you behave, react, live, celebrate is different. When you cognize the goal is Sunya, the way you think, behave, react, respond, cognize is different. Universalists are good social reformers, very bad spiritual guides. Understand? Good social reforming does not mean they can lead you to enlightenment. Leading humanity to enlightenment is completely different game than working for a Nobel Prize. There is a vast difference. Be very clear. If you are interested in somebody who is Nobel laureate, go and listen to whoever you want. If you are interested in enlightenment and Sadashivatva, sit here, understand, even a single word cannot be replaced, and the original Vedantic, Agamic verses cannot be translated, understand, cannot be translated at all into English. They can only be mapped in English. I am using a new word. None of my books are translated, mapped. Mapping is different, translating is different. None of my satsangs, none of my books are translated into English. Understand? I am thinking in Sanskrit. I am not translating it in English and talking to you. I am mapping it in English and talking to you. There's a big difference. The word Sadashiva cannot be translated as God. God is only generator, operator, destroyer. Sadashiva is generator, operator, destroyer, deluder and liberator. Srishti, Sthiti, Vinasa, Trobhava, Anugraha. Every word internalize as I am mapping it in English, not translating. So goal is Purna, Purnatva, completion, not Sunya. And Sunya and Purna are not one and the same. Shunya and Purna are not one and the same. The state of Sadashiva, Nirvikalpa Samadhi, unclutched space, pure consciousness, space of Sadashiva, the software with which he operates. He himself uses the word Agama. The software with which he operates the world, the universe, he calls it as Agama. Understand? The state from which he operates into space is Agama. State, space and manifestation. Everything he manifests is powers, Shakti. This whole Mahasadashivoham program is to give you the experience of state, space and manifestation of powers. Listen carefully. State, space and manifestation of powers. Introducing the 25 states of consciousness, the way the self functions, Jiva functions, like waking state, dream state, deep sleep state. You go through 25 states. Ability to have access to the 25 states makes you rich. Understand? If you are a living Hindu, practicing Hindu, the whole lifestyle is designed to have access to all the 25 states of consciousness. Most of us, I don't want to hurt you, that is why I am not using the word most of you, but it means most of you only. Sorry. Most of you are actually Western materialist. Whether you are from East or West does not matter. Your lifestyle does not have access to more than 3 states of consciousness. Deep sleep, once in a while. Dream, 90% of the time. Waking state, the remaining 5-6%, that's all. Understand? Access to different states of consciousness makes you rich. even deep sleep. Every state of consciousness has its own richness to add to the self. Jiva. Jiva becomes more and more richer by having access to multiple states of consciousness. More states of consciousness access, better fuels available for you to reach the different dimensions of the universe. Listen, if you can get into only sleep and dream, you have the fuel only to go to Patala, means the demonic worlds. If you can access to Turiya, awakened states, Anturyatita, alive states, you get the fuel to travel to Kailasa. Understand? With kerosene, you cannot reach Mars. For Mars, you need a different fuel. Same way, to reach the higher planes, you need a different fuel, different consciousness need to be infused into your system. So the whole program, Mahasadashivoham, is to give you access to different states of consciousness. What the Jiva can have access, individual self can access, making the individual self rich by giving access to different states of consciousness. And giving you the experience and access to different dimensions of the universe, planes of the universe. Please understand. The thought currents you cherish about the number of lives, number of planes matters. During your whole life, if you think you have only one life and this is the only plane, that is the worst punishment given to you. The biggest conspiracy done against humanity is not just cancer. Cancer is not a disease, it's a business. Diabetes is not disease, it is a business. Biggest scam on the planet Earth is not 2G or 3G. Money, concept of money is the biggest scam. Biggest violence is not Hitler killing millions, Mussolini killing millions and all that. Your non-vegetarian food. Your food is the biggest violence. Understand? Biggest conspiracy against humanity. All the conspiracy theories, understand, none of your conspiracies are bigger than what I am declaring. Teaching human beings there is only one life and one plane is the biggest conspiracy. If you don't know what is school or cinema theater, even if a school or cinema theater exists in the road you travel every day, you will never cognize it. How many of you have had this kind of experience in your life? Which you don't know, you don't cognize. Understand, when you leave your body, the route in which you are going to travel, if you are not already introduced about multiple lives and multiple planes, and if you have not cherished that thought current while you are in the body, you are in the danger of not recognizing any of this and getting stuck in your own body. Understand? Listen carefully. If you read Ramayana, you will read a story of Ahalya, where Indra takes the form of the Ahalya's husband and gets into physical relationship with the Ahalya, and the real husband comes back and curses Ahalya to become stone. Surely we will all be shocked. Why should the woman who is cheated should have curse? Understand? I am not justifying. In the modern day, not knowing about the multiple planes is not crime, because it is not a regular education. But in those days, knowing about multiple planes and multiple types of beings was our lifestyle. She can't afford to be ignorant about it. And listen, whoever does not have awareness to know the multiple planes behaves very casually, they will be stuck inside their body like a stone for ages till an incarnation comes and liberates. That is precisely the reality, not curse. If you do not know the existence of multiple planes, you will be stuck in your body like a stone for ages. It is reality, not curse. The story has very deep meaning and very deep secret. Listen. If you have been taught about multiple planes and multiple lives, bless yourself, you are rich. I am not saying if you believe, I am not expecting you to believe. Your belief is too superficial. Even if you don't believe, if you have been taught and you are confused about it, that's enough. That is enough. See, if you have been taught, there is something called school where kids go and study, and you don't believe, why will kids go and study? No, there is nothing called school. All right, they told me, I'll think about it. Even this much if you know, on the way if a school comes, you will try to enter in and explore what is going on. That is enough. People ask me, Swamiji, do you mean to say only Hindus are going to reach heaven? I don't make that kind of monopolizing statements. We do not monopolize, and we do not have this tradition of monopolizing. All I am trying to tell you is, if you are not introduced and comfortable to a concept, to an idea, you are not going to recognize it when it comes in front of you. I am not saying the doors of the Swarga will not be open for non-Hindus. I am only saying only Hindus will enter into it. I am not saying doors will not be open. I am only saying you need to be a Hindu to recognize the door. Your understandings about the planes, about the number of lives matters. And I commit with you all on this Mahasadashivoham, I'll give you experience of multiple planes of the universe. Understand, it is my responsibility. I have happened to do this work. It is time. The truths of Sanatana Hindu Dharma comes out of book, and it is no more a museum, it is music. You would have seen movies, museums coming alive. You will see the real Hindu museum coming alive in Mahasadashivoham. You would have seen museums coming alive. Imagine, really Hindu museums are going to come alive. It's going to be really real. Just imagine the 1,000-pillar hall of Meenakshi temple coming to life, and all the gods and goddesses walking out of the pillar and All right. More than this, it may really look like storytelling. Let me lead you to initiation. Now it's time. All of them have to come alive and give you darshan. Tell humanity, larger than what you know about life exists. Just the fellows who found the sea route are trying to claim they've discovered the country. Columbus did not discover countries. He discovered sea route for countries. Even the fellows who discovered sea routes are claiming they have discovered the countries. But I am not going to claim anything. I am only saying the route exists. I am operating it, restarting it after a long time. Yesterday the first trip was started really successfully with Mahaganapati's grace. Giving access, experience to you about these multiple planes of existence is important. It will help you to enrich this life and plan for your next lives without a cultural shock. Understand, integrity is not useless moral. It is a currency you yearn for Kailasa. All these are not some make-up. All this will not give you cultural shock when you have this transition into Kailasa. Whether it is a food style, dress style, or the thinking style of Agama, it's a practice of Kailasa brought to you, so you will not have a cultural shock, you will have a smooth transition. Understand? I am not too otherworldly. I am preparing all of you where longer time you are going to spend, where the deeper frequency you are going to experience. Introducing, giving access experientially to the multiple planes of existence is not otherworldly lifestyle. I tell you, for example, if you have access to the planets, there are some planets full of diamond. If you start the transportation, the life here will become more rich, that's all. Same way, there are other planes where full of powers available. The higher consciousness is available. So when you have access, it is just like earning in foreign currency, US dollar, and converting it in local currency. That higher consciousness can be converted into multiple powers here. Understand? Access to multiple planes strengthens and enriches your life here. I am not otherworldly. Please understand, I am not otherworldly. I am actually introducing other worlds and teaching you the science of benefiting from the sources available in the other world and enriching even this world. Humanity has suffered too much. It is time humanity looks back and rediscovers, reinvents, rejuvenates itself from the vision document of Sadashiva, Agama. Agama is the vision document of Sadashiva. Some of the stupid so-called historians are trying to analyze, in Agama, the silk saree is mentioned. In Agama, the metallurgic techniques are mentioned. Then it must have been written few hundred years before, after the silk saree and metallurgy was invented. There are many things written in Agama still not invented. Understand? It is vision document. It is vision document. From the Agama, the metallurgy evolved. From the Agama, the silk weaving evolved. It is not document recorded after all this happened. It's a vision document revealed. So let's be very clear. Having access to multiple planes of consciousness enriches and strengthens your existence here. Not just powers or powerful cognitions. Understand? Powers and powerful cognitions are like whatever I brought, I am giving you. Having access to multiple planes of universe is you directly going and bringing what do you want. Powers and powerful cognitions are like gifts and jewels I brought from Middle East and distributing. Giving access to higher planes of consciousness is airlifting you and leaving you there in that mall and telling you, you take whatever you want. Come for the next flight. It's all duty free, not under any government. From Kailasa to here, no duty, no tax. Understand? Giving access to multiple planes and consciousness, multiple planes of the universe. May look like too big claim. Maybe if you have an initiation and taste a glimpse, you will understand. Yesterday, many people were writing to me in the Facebook, Swamiji, I really feel I saw Ganapati. With closed eyes I saw, when I opened the eyes I saw the same vision. Is it really vision? If you want to test, remember that same space and pray to him to remove some obstacles. You will see immediately it happens. Then you know it's a real vision. That's all. That's all. People who can test for taste are wise, others are otherwise. Test to taste. Leave the stupid fellows who are still struggling and worrying with about whether this candle is true, this photo is true, that video is true. Leave them. Let's go to Kailash. Let them die with the Samsaya Rakshasa. Understand? The worst Rakshasa is Samsaya Rakshasa. The Rakshasa of doubt. A devotee cries to Guru, anything is okay, but not Samsaya on you. Best thing can come to a human being is an incarnation as Guru. Worst thing can come to him is Samsaya Rakshasa. Best thing is Guru. Worst thing is Guru Samsaya. samsaya rakshasa nasa mahastram yami gurum sharanam bhava vaidyam. People ask me, when we travel to multiple dimension, will it be physical or like a dream? It will be 10 times intense than physical. You will see literally you are being pulled out, your depth pulled out of physical. And experiences it much more intensely than physical, then settles into physical, which is dreamlike. More than dream, waking looks strong. More than waking, Turiya will look strong. More than Turiya, Turiyatita will look strong. You will be at least experiencing 100 times intense than the physical. When you experience multiple dimensions, so you will treat this dimension like a dream. You will treat this dimension like a dream. Whole Mahasadashivoham is to introduce multiple states of consciousness, Jiva, multiple dimensions of universe, Jagat, multiple aspects of Sadashiva, Ishvara. When you have access to multiple states of consciousness, multiple dimensions of universe, you will just manifest multiple aspects of Sadashiva and multiple powers of Sadashiva. It may look like too much power is going to be brought to planet Earth. Will there be chaos? No. When Sadashiva ordains, he sustains. He knows the order. He knows to maintain the order of the cosmos. Only powerlessness leads to chaos. More powers and more consciousness leads to more order. Macrocosm is micromanaged. Macrocosm is micromanaged. It will surely bring only more order. It will only surely bring more alignment, more tuning. I know what I am speaking looks like too much, but it is my responsibility to prove what I am claiming, because you guys did not experience all this for last few thousand years. So let me initiate. Let me open the doors. Let me give you the glimpse. That is the only thing I should do. Now, I'll initiate all of you, give you the access to the space of Kailasa. You can verify whether it is a real experience or imagination by two. One, when you have that experience, try to open your eyes and see. You will see the same scene with closed eyes and with open eyes. That is one. Second, Offer your prayer to remove all the obstacles for Mahasadashivogam to be here. Everything will be cleared. You will be here for Mahasadashivogam. This too. Today, initiation into experiencing the space of Kailasa. Yesterday was Ganesh Darshan. Today none other than Mahasadashiva. He is ready. He is ready. Let me explain the signs. Now, actually he is celebrating. He really is celebrating. Listen. Many times I told, I am repeating, I do not use the same body in Kailasa. I do not use the same mind in different planes of consciousness. But my breathing is same from here to Kailasa. So I am going to tie all your breathing to my breathing. That is the way I am going to raise your frequency to the frequency of Kailasa. Why this Aushada? Aushada means the herbs. Today you may have betel leaf, bilva leaf, neem leaf, tulsi leaf and argambul, the grass. All this and haritaki. Have all these items are qualified to make the prana of your system very pure and subtle. Listen. If you have toxins inside, from outside you will take more air, less prana. If you have toxins inside, you will have more thoughts in your consciousness. You will take more air and less prana when you breathe. Inside, if the toxins are less, you will have less thoughts in your consciousness, inner space. You will take more prana and less air. Clear? This Aushada is to make your prana intake more. Betel leaf is a very powerful digestive prana sucker. It sucks the digestive prana into your body. That is why betel leaf is supposed to be taken after every meal. Understand? Medicine is not Aushada. Medicine means a chemical goes into your system, does some action, reaction and heals the body, gives some effect and side effect. Aushada means, the definition of Aushada, instigates the body and takes many things from the cosmos and raises itself to the higher consciousness. If you take betel leaf itself is not a complete medicine. Of course, betel leaf has some qualities. It supports your digestion, but the way it instigates your system and you suck the digestive prana, that is the real benefit. The way your lungs will react and absorb the digestive prana, That is the real effect. So listen carefully. These leaves, betel leaf, neem leaf, if you are afraid of this bitter taste, you don't have to take the neem leaf, because the other leaves are capable enough to help you to raise the prana level. Betel leaf, bilva leaf, tulsi leaf, arugambul, Bermuda grass, haritaki. Have little of all of them. How much you are comfortable to keep in your mouth. Just bite and take the juice, that is enough. You don't have to chew and swallow, just bite. By taking the juice inside, allow the juice to go inside. Just take the juice inside. You will see suddenly drastically the number of thought comes down. The prana level in your body goes up, and you are very comfortably able to travel with me. Understand? If you have too much of luggage, you can only go in U-Haul or goods train. If you have less, you can go in comfortably car or AC bus. If you want to go in flight, you have to carry only hand carry, only hand luggage. If you have to go in the jet, not even that is allowed. So if you have to go to Kailasa, no thought luggage inside inner space. It has to be free. I bless you all. Let you all experience Kailasa, and all your obstacles will be removed. Everything will support all of you to be here for Mahasadashivoham experience in December. The new alchemy product getting ready for Mahasadashivoham. Along with the spiritual alchemy products, I have installed my own prana in this. So it will be called Guru Prana Murti. This is only the first level trial version. The same Murti is getting ready in silver. Silver and gold are supposed to be the metals which can breathe prana. So it is getting ready in silver during Mahasadashivoham. Hope before that it will be ready and you will all be receiving it. So this is the trial version ready. It will reach you all as soon as possible. Blessings, be blissful.